I've been doing ink drawings for a month and I want to talk about it. Hi everyone, it's been over a month since I finished Inktober and it's time to talk about inking. This is not a tutorial, but rather my reflections and observations after drawing with ink that I want to share. In the background will be a speed paint of my latest ink drawing of Yor Forger from the SpyXFamily anime. I don't remember that I ever drawing ink drawings before October, and honestly I didn't even think about it. I planned to try charcoal drawing at some point, but not ink drawing. That all changed when I decided to participate in Inktober. As I said in the video about this challenge, I didn't want to draw all 31 drawings in ink, so I limited myself to just 10. The very first drawings I tried to draw the same way I did with black and white pencil drawings, but it didn't come out well, especially with small details. In those places everything merged and became illegible. If you practice this method, I think everything will get better, but I went a different way and decided to experiment this month. I started watching tutorials on how to draw with ink, spoiler, not helpful. After that I started looking at how the characters I was drawing were drawn in the manga. Here I observed that there are two styles of drawing ink drawings, given perspective by using different line thicknesses and by using different hatching options. About hatching, volume is given by the distance between the lines. I never fully understood how to use it. I didn't have any sort of deep pen for drawing. I used liner brush, liners, and some black alcohol-based Arx marker. Remarkably, the brush started to dry towards the end. I also tried adding a white marker, but it made the drawing worse. Later I tried to use the paper itself as a source of white color. Back to the drawings. The most problematic area for me when drawing with ink is the eyes. If the eyes in a drawing are small, I just don't know how to make them pretty. I like to draw the eyes in more detail than other parts of the body, drawing glare, pupils, iris and so on, but when you have only one color it becomes a very difficult task. Trying different options, in the end I realized that the only option for me to draw eyes is to make them colored. In my last two ink drawings I chose characters with red eyes because I love the combination of red, white and black in a drawing. With the addition of color to the eyes, my drawings started to look better and they stopped being completely inky. Let's talk a little bit about drawing on the background. Here I am trying to draw an action pose against the background of a European city center with historic buildings. I've drawn very few city backgrounds as well as dynamic poses, so this is not the best drawing I ever done, but I think this way. If you don't make mistakes and then notice them and don't make them in the future, you will never get better at drawing. As for the ink specifically, you can see that it was a bit of a painful experience for me, and I won't be drawing ink drawings anytime soon. If you take black and white drawings, I would prefer to draw with a pencil. With a pencil you can create volume just by adjusting the degree of pressure. Ink doesn't have that ability. Write comments, I want to read your opinion about this topic. If you like it, put likes and subscribe to the channel. Future will be better. Thanks for watching.